Today we are going to learn the new chapter in mathematics paper second, third chapter circle. आज आपण गणित भाग 2 या पेपर मधील प्रकरण नंबर 3 वर्तुळ या प्रकरणाचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. To start the chapter circle, before it we have to learn some basic concept. When you understand some basic concept, when you learn easy to chapter circle. First, what is mean by circle? The definition of circle is the set of points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane is called a circle. एका स्थिर बिंदूपासून समान अंतरावर असणाऱ्या सर्व बिंदूच्या संचाला वर्तुळ असे म्हणतात. In this figure, this point is a fixed point. You name the point is O. Therefore, point O is a fixed point in a plane. From fixed point are equal distance is the segment OA, segment OB, segment OC, segment OD, and segment OE. All points A, B, C, D, and E are equidistant from a fixed point O. Therefore, OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to OE. Hence, this figure is a circle. Some important terms related to the circle. काही सर्कल संबंधी महत्वाच्या बाबी. First term is the center of a circle. The fixed point is called the center of circle. In this figure, the point O is the center of circle. Second term is the radius of circle. The segment joining the center of the circle and a point on the circle is called radius of the circle. In figure, segment OA is the radius of circle. Third term, chord of circle. The segment joining any point of the circle is called chord of the circle. वर्तुळाची जीवा. वर्तुळावरील कोणत्याही दोन बिंदूंना जोडणारा रेषाखंड म्हणजे त्या वर्तुळाची जीवा. In a figure, segment PQ is the chord of circle. And next term is diameter of the circle. वर्तुळाचा व्यास. A chord passing through the center of a circle is called diameter of the circle. वर्तुळाची जी जीवा वर्तुळाच्या केंद्रातून जाते त्या जीवेला त्या वर्तुळाचा व्यास म्हणतात. In figure, segment LM is diameter of circle. In this way, in figure, O is the center of circle, Segment OA is radius of circle. Segment PQ is chord of circle, and segment LM is diameter of the circle. You remember important points. First point, radii of same circle are equal in length. एकाच वर्तुळाच्या सर्व त्रिज्या समान लांबीच्या म्हणजेच एकरूप असतात. सेकंड पॉइंट, डायमीटर ऑफ अ सेम सर्कल आर इक्वल इन लेंथ. एकाच वर्तुळाच्या सर्व व्यास एकरूप असतात. And relation with radius and diameter. First, diameter is a twice of radius. Therefore, diameter is equal to 2 times radius. वर्तुळाचा व्यास त्रिज्येच्या दुप्पट असतो. Second, radius is a half of diameter. Therefore, radius is equal to half multiply diameter. वर्तुळाची त्रिज्या व्यासाच्या निमपट असते. Recall the property of chords of circle. Already the property of circle you have to learn in 9th standard. Give some activity in your textbooks in a chapter circle. First activity, in the adjoining figure, segment DE is a chord of circle. Segment DE is a chord of circle with center C. Segment CF is a perpendicular segment DE. If diameter of the circle is 20 centimeter, DE is equal to 16 centimeter, find CF. In these activities, CF is a perpendicular to chord DE and diameter of circle is given, it is 20 centimeter, and length of chord DE is equal to 16 centimeter. To find the length of CF. To complete this activity by using property. This property we have to learn in 9th standard already. The perpendicular drawn from center of circle on its chord bisect the chord. वर्तुळाच्या केंद्रातून वर्तुळाच्या जिवेवर टाकलेला लंब त्या जिवेस दुभागतो. Means CF is a perpendicular to DE, then DF is equal to FE. This is the property. By using this property to complete this activity and to find length of CF. In a circle with center C. C केंद्र असलेल्या वर्तुळामध्ये segment CF is a perpendicular to chord DE. This is a perpendicular sign shown in figure. Chord DE bisects, means length of DF is equal to length of FE. DF is the half of DE, or EF is the half of DE. That is, F is a midpoint of chord DE. In this way, CF is a perpendicular to chord bisect each other. Hence, DF is equal to FE is equal to half multiply DE. The length of DE is given 16 centimeter in this problem. Then half multiply 16, 2 8s are 16. Therefore, DF is equal to EF is equal to 8. Join segment CE in a figure. Segment CE, join. Then CE is the radius of circle, and radius of circle is the half of diameter. Diameter is given in this problem 20 centimeter. Therefore, CE is equal to half multiplied diameter is equal to half multiplied 20, 2 tens are 20. Then CE is equal to 10. When you know the length of EF is equal to 8 and CF is equal to 10. Then in a triangle CFE, angle F is equal to 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem in a triangle CFE. By using Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse CE square is equal to sum of square of right angle side is equal to CF square plus FE square. CE square is equal to CF square plus FE square. Substitute the value. Then to find the CF plus FE square goes down LHS side, then we get minus. Then CF square is equal to CE square minus FE square. CE is the 10. 10 square minus 8 square. 10 square is 100 minus 8 square is a 64 is equal to 36. Taking square root, CF square is equal to 36. Taking square root, then we get CF is equal to 6. This is the value of CF to complete this activity. Second activity is number 2. In the adjoining figure, segment QR is chord of circle with center O. P is the midpoint of the chord QR. If QR is equal to 24, OP is equal to 10, find radius of the circle. In this figure, segment QR is a chord of circle with center O. P is the midpoint of chord QR. QR is given 24. OP is equal to 10. Find the radius of the circle. Use this property to complete this activity to find radius of circle. The segment joining the center of a circle and the midpoint of its chord is perpendicular to the chord. वर्तुळाच्या जीवेचा मध्यबिंदू आणि वर्तुळाचा केंद्रबिंदू यांना जोडणारा रेषाखंड त्या वर्तुळाच्या जीवेला लंब असतो. Means OP is a perpendicular to QR. P is a midpoint of chord QR given in this problem. We can say that OP is a perpendicular to the chord QR. By using this property to complete these activities. In a circle with center O, P is midpoint of chord QR by using property. Therefore, QP is equal to PR. Means OP is a perpendicular to QR. QR bisect means QR divided into two equal parts. QP is equal to PR. By using relation, QP is the half of QR. PR is the half of QR. Therefore, QP is equal to PR is equal to half multiply QR is equal to half multiply 24. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 12 is 24. Then we get QP is equal to PR is equal to 12. And OP is equal to 10. It is also given. Therefore, segment OP is a perpendicular to QR. Join the segment OR in figure. आकृतीमध्ये segment OR जोडलेला आहे. Then OP is equal to 10. In a triangle OPR, angle P is equal to 90 degree by using Pythagoras theorem in a triangle OPR. Therefore, square of hypotenuse OR square is equal to sum of square of right angle side OP square plus PR square. Substitute the value. OP is equal to 10 square. Then here PR is equal to 12 square. 10 square is 100 plus 12 square is 144 is equal to 244. But the number 244 is not perfect square number. Taking square root OR square. Therefore, OR is equal to, in a square root, 4 multiply 61 is equal to 244. 4 is a complete perfect square number. Taking square root of 4 is the 2. 2 square root 61. This is the length of radius of activity number 3. In the adjoining figure, M is center of circle and segment AB is a diameter. Segment MS perpendicular to the chord AD. Segment MT is a perpendicular to the chord AC. Angle DAB is a congruent angle CAB. Prove that chord AD is a congruent chord AC. This property we have to prove already in a 9th standard. But recall the property of the chords of circle in the chapters. In a figure, M is center of circle and segment AB is a diameter. Segment MS is a perpendicular to the chord AD and segment MT is a perpendicular to the chord AC. To prove that chord AD is a congruent chord AC. Proof of this activity: in a circle with center M, segment MS is a perpendicular to the chord AD and segment MT is a perpendicular to the chord AC, and angle CAB is a congruent angle DAB. This is given in activities. In a right angle, therefore MS is a perpendicular to AD and MT is a perpendicular to AC. Then to form two right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, MSA and triangle MTA. In these two triangle, right angle, side AM is a congruent side AM. Why? It is common side of both triangle. Side MS is a congruent side MT. Why? The opposite side of congruent angle. It is common side. Side MS is a congruent side MT. Why? The opposite side of congruent angle. एकरूप कोणासमोरच्या त्या बाजू आहेत, एकरूप असतात. Therefore, in a triangle, in a right angle triangle MSA and MTA, hypotenuse of both triangle are congruent and one right angle side, corresponding right angle side are congruent. Then triangle MSA congruent triangle MTA. Why? Hypotenuse side test. Therefore, when two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding side are congruent. In segment AS is a congruent segment AT because the corresponding side of congruent triangle. Therefore, but in a figure, MS is a perpendicular to AD and MT is a perpendicular to the chord AC. Therefore, by using the property of the chord, the perpendicular drawn from center to the chord bisect the chord divided into two equal parts. Therefore, MS is a perpendicular to AD. Therefore, AS is equal to SD. And MT is a perpendicular to AC. Therefore, AT is equal to TC. Hence, AS is a 2 times of AD and AT is a 2 times of AC. From equation 1, then to prove the AD is a congruent to AC, therefore chord AD is a congruent AC. This activity is a proof. Write down homework. First question, fill in the blanks from following figure. First, center of circle is dash dash. Second, radius of circle A, B and C. There are 3 radii in this figure. Write the name. Diameter of circle is dash dash. Chord of circle is dash dash. RP is equal to half multiply dash dash and RS is equal to twice multiply dash dash. And second, in the adjoining figure, segment DE is a chord of a circle with center C. Segment CF is a perpendicular to DE. If diameter of the circle is 10 centimeter and DE is equal to 8 centimeter, find length of CF. Write down 2 problems for homework.